If you're unsure or struggling to clean your kitchen countertops, well, in today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to clean your kitchen tops effectively. So let's get started. Now, first things first, in order to get the job done, we're going to need the following: a microfiber cloth or sponge, mild dish soap or a specific design kitchen cleaner, warm water, paper towels or a dry cloth, disinfecting spray, which is optional. Now we're going to start by removing any items such as utensils, appliances, food from the countertop and set them aside. Next, take a damp microfiber cloth or sponge and wipe down the entire surface to remove any loose dirt, crumbs and spills. Now today we're just using dish soap and warm water. So let's soak our microfiber cloth or sponge in warm water and add a teaspoon of dish soap to your sponge or microfiber cloth. Then rub the two together, creating a lather. And then we're going to start to wash down the entire surface, moving in a circular motion. Now we need to pay attention to any stains, sticky spots or grease areas. And remember to follow the grain of your countertop if you have one, to avoid any scratching. Now once you thoroughly clean the countertop, it's time to rinse away that soap residue. Rinse your cloth or sponge with clean warm water and wipe down the counter to ensure that all soap is removed. Next, grab some paper towels or a dry cloth and thoroughly dry your surface down to prevent any water spots. Okay, this next step is optional. You may want to consider using a disinfectant spray. Simply spray it directly onto the countertop, following the instruction on the product label. Allow it to sit for the recommended time and then wipe it down with a damp cloth or paper towel. Now that your countertop is clean and shiny, it's time to return your items back to the rightful place. Now for more kitchen cleaning tips, check out the next video coming up.